On today's video, we have listed some biggest technology scandals in history. The fate of Alan Turing. Have you ever watched the movie The Imitation Game? The film, played by Bennedict Cumber, tells the story of Alan Turing, but can be titled as one of the founders of the latest technology, who has the great contributions on modern computers. He is the first person who broke Nazi code during World War II. Thanks to his action, the Allied forces were able to win the war. Alan Turing is a homosexual. In his day, homosexuals were opposed by the British government. He was caught and given two choices: to live in the prison or castrate. Alan chose to be castrated. A few years later, a depressed Alan took his own life at the age of 41, and many consider this case to be one of the biggest technology scandals of the 20th century. Yahoo data breach. Data breach is one of the most dangerous things in modern technology era. Everyone's personal data can be easily accessed by irresponsible parties. One of the biggest data breach scandal was once happened to Yahoo, one of the biggest tech company at that time. 3 billion user data was breached by hackers. The culprit on this accident has not found yet. The scandal caused Yahoo's company value fell to hundreds of millions of dollars. NSA spying on everyone. The worry of being spied on by gadgets is not a mere figment. In 2013, a massive technology scandal broke out in the United States. The National Security Agency was proven to spy on all smart products users by intercepting internet-connected devices. Edward Snowden, a former NSA contractor, leaked this scandal to the public. As a result of this action, Snowden is regarded as a hero to the people, but an enemy of the state. Samsung Galaxy Note 7 explode. Samsung, one of the biggest tech companies, was once involved in a huge scandal, where its latest smartphone, Samsung Galaxy Note 7, was launched, and after a few months, some users of the smartphone report that their Samsung Galaxy Note 7 are exploded due to the unknown reason. Thus, the cell phone was prohibited on the plan. As a result of this scandal, Samsung had to withdraw Samsung Galaxy Note 7 in all countries and suffer high losses.